If the world coming to the end, let me just know. Let me know. Why is it a blizzard in the Midwest, a freaking heat wave in San Diego, and a tornado watch in North Carolina? I'm overstimulated. Like, why is there so much going on in the world right now? Like, how is it a heat wave, a snow blizzard, and tornadoes in different regions of the United States of America right now, all at the same time, and everybody's acting like this is normal? This is not normal.
Average for a huge.
Sure was hot yesterday. Broke some records on Thursday.
Shit.
Now weather too much complicated, wala. Too much complicated, eh? One time hot, eh? Another
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
We're breaking in again one more time for a tornado warning.
The sights and sound
pounded the upper Midwest over the weekend with blizzard-like conditions. It now makes its way toward the East Coast today. And if you are on spring...